Hi, this is Glenna from Vane, and in this course, we're going to talk about Adobe Illustrator. We're going to discuss about the order content arrangement. So we have here 4 stars in our document. First star is the yellow. On top of it is the blue star. And on top of blue star is the green star. On top of green star is the red star. Our goal is to put the blue star on top of the red star. So how are we going to do that? First is to select the blue star, and then on the right side of the property panel, select Arrange, Bring to Front. And now can move the blue star on top of the red one. The next is the green one. Click the green star, Bring to Front. Next, click the red star, then click again on the right side of the screen, the property panel, and Bring to Front. And lastly, to put the blue star on top of everyone, click Arrange and Bring to Front. That is how we arrange the order content in our document. Moving on to our next example. Behind this mountain is a hidden cloud and all other images. So for us to see the outline of this document, we need to click the view and then outline. As you can see, there is a smiling face of the sun, and behind the mountains there are 3 trees and a house. So let's go back to its previous view. Let's click view and GPU preview. Our goal is to put the sun rays at the back so that we can uplift the smiling face of the sun. Click on the sun rays, click arrange, send to back. Now we can see the smiling face of the sun. Our next is to put all the other behind images of this mountain. Click arrange, send to back. So we now see the images, the trees, and a house. Let's put this mountain aligned with the other 2 mountains. And as you can see, the chimney is on top of the red roof, so we're going to send this to back. Click the image, arrange, and then send to back. Okay, so we have everything put in place. We have here a nice shocking face of an anime, and we're going to put a gradient color to achieve our guide photo. So we need to click this image, click on the fill, and these are the gradient types: the white and black, yellow, orange, and the fading sky. For more gradient options, click this menu, and then you can see different gradient: the linear, radial, and freeform gradient. Let's choose the linear gradient. To change the color, let's double click here on the spectrum and then select the color of your choice. Do the same process on the end side. Hit exit. Click on the gradient tool and then using the mouse, Click on the lower part of the face and drag this all the way up. Depends on how heavy the gradient you want to achieve in this photo. So that's how easy to put the gradient on our image. Next, we're going to make dash line and arrows. We have here an envelope, and on this part of this line, we need to make a dash line. Use the select tool, then click on the image, click stroke. Let's change the cup into a round cup. Click on dash line. You can adjust the dash point here and the gap size. The gap size are the distance between two broken lines. Let's change this to 25. You can see a wider broken lines. Let's change the dash size. Let's make it 4. So the line now gets shorter. Let's change the weight into 2 and gap to 25. Or maybe 5-point weight will look good. Let's change the dash point to 1 and a gap of 15. So we have achieved the image that we want on this mail. We're going to our next artboard. To view the other artboard, click View and then Fit All in Window. To focus on this image, let's click View, Fit Artboard in Window, and this document will be placed on center. Now we're ready to put an arrow on these two lines, so we need to select these two lines. Click Stroke, and this is where our arrow begins. Click your preferred arrow. Mine is, I'm going to choose arrow number 16. And now we're going to put the tail part of an arrow. It's up to you if you want to choose an arrow again, but for our tutorial, I'm going to select this arrow. Okay, and now we're going to the center part of the circle. We're going to make a dash line. Click on the circle, click stroke, and tick the dash line box. We're going to change the dash 0.5 and the gap 20. Okay, and bigger broken lines. This is the round cup, a butt cup, and a projecting cup. It's up to you if you want to change the alignment of the stroke to center, inside or outside. Let's play along with the gap to 40 and it doesn't look good. Let's change to 10 points and also the dash to 10 points. Let's make it in uniform. So this is the image that we want to achieve. To see both artboards, click View and Fit All in Window. So that is how you make dash lines and arrows. Okay, let's start. We're going to make a circle. Let's use the ellipse tool. Our color fill is yellow, and our stroke color is black. Let's make a circle and put it in the center. And then let's use the curvature tool. What we need here is not to make a stroke, but to make a point to point to make an anchor. Once you see a curve, that is where you put a point to make an anchor. Let's rotate this for us to have a better view of our work. Let's do this in a fast pace. Just continue clicking the mouse to connect all the points. And we're done. So let's put this race at the back of the circle by using the select tool. And then click the arrange, send to back. And then by using the curvature tool again, we're going to make a smiley. Let's change the point size. You can adjust the curve of the line by clicking on the center of the path. And then we're going to make a circle for our eyes. Let's fill it black. Let's copy this. And now we have fully achieved our image by using the curvature tool. We have here in our document a broken puzzle that we are going to complete in order to follow our photo guide. To connect this end, select this by using the select tool. Click object, path, and join. We're going to do the same on the next joints. Select them, object, path, and join. Third is this lower part. Select them, object, path, and join. And on the property panel, let's click the stroke and then change the cup into a rounded cup. So notice those end point as we change this. Okay. And then to close this image, click these ends and then we'll do the same process, object, path, and join. If you're making a logo, you can use this process and that will make your life easy. We're going to our next image. To connect this end, select this by using the select tool. Click object, path, and join. We're going to do the same on the next joints. Object, path, and join. That's basically the steps that we're going to this video to select the Click the object, the path, and the join. That is for us to learn in connecting paths. So we have fully accomplished and achieved the image in our photo guide and connecting paths. Let's get started. But before that, we make sure that our fill is white and our stroke is black with a 2-point size. Using the pen tool is not an easy way because this is not an ordinary way of stroking like we use our pencil. Here we are using the mouse, and as you can see, the lines are not that straight. You're struggling to make a straight line. Let's draw a house and a tree. I tried to make the lines okay, but it doesn't straighten up, so it doesn't look good. So how are we going to make this line smooth? By double-clicking the pen tool, change the fidelity from accurate to smooth, and then hit OK. So as you can see, with just a one stroke, it gives us a smooth curves, and it gives us a better image. So let's complete the tree and the house. We're now ready to fill the colors. Let's do first the tree with the color green. And then the house with a light brown color. Let's select these two. We're now ready to move you. We're now ready to move this. Let's view the other artboards. Clicking the view, fit all in window. And let's drag the image to complete the drawing. But first, let's duplicate the trees and then arrange it besides the house. We finally complete our image by using the pen tool. So this ends our course and hope you learn a lot from this. Thank you for taking this course.